Okay, so now all the assembly screws are in place, all in place now, holding it together. Okay, the wires are secured inside just with some tape, some strong tape, so it stops them from vibrating possibly against the casing. Okay, next is, oh yes, one last look so you can see. Can you see the battery? Turn it round. Maybe you can see it a bit better from this end. There's the battery up inside. Okay. Now is the time to put the base radiator plates on. Held on by 6 screws. One each side of the unit. That's how they will go. Like that. Or not like that. That like that. So again, I'm going to pause the video. I'm not going to waste time screwing them on because it's an obvious thing you need to do. But just going to pause the video again. This is the unit now with the passive base radiators each side, 6 screws, and the same for this side. Looking good, looking good, and the back, looking good. Okay. Next I will be putting this unit into this casing here. Just going to pause again.